Hey everyone, Anthony here from the Faculty of Apps with another quick tip for your Apple devices. So, a common issue when using a Mac with an external display is that you can't adjust the screen brightness of the external monitor. There doesn't appear to be an option in system settings, and if I try to adjust the slider in Control Center, it won't move. I've seen some comments on the Apple support forum suggesting to make the external monitor the primary display, but this doesn't work for me. If you're in the same boat as me, then I recommend a nifty little free app called Monitor Control Lite, which installs to the menu bar and allows you to adjust both the Mac display and your external monitor. You can find the app by searching for Monitor Control in the App Store. Once installed, click on Open and the app will appear in your menu bar. I recommend clicking on the settings icon and ticking the box to allow the app to start automatically when you log in. The only downside with this app is that it doesn't support keyboard shortcuts. If you want a lot more functionality and you're willing to pay a one-time fee, then I highly recommend an app called Lunar, which is available at lunar.fyi. This app offers keyboard shortcuts and additional options like the ability to sync the brightness of your external display with your Mac display. I recommend starting with the free trial to test that it supports your brand of monitor. You'll be taken through the whole setup process where it checks it can adjust your monitor's settings. You'll have to give the app certain permissions to allow it to use your function keys, and then, like the free app, it will install an icon on your menu bar where you can adjust both the screen brightness and the volume of your external monitor. Right-clicking on the icon will give you a ton of different settings and the keyboard shortcuts for adjusting the brightness, which is Command and F1 and F2 for brightness, and Command F11 and F12 for volume. Finally, before you go, one last tip you may not be aware of. If you use the function keys on your keyboard to adjust screen brightness and volume on your Mac, you'll know that they only allow you to increase or decrease the brightness and volume in fixed increments, 16 fixed increments to be precise. If you want to be more accurate, next time you go to press the function keys, hold down the Option and Shift keys before adjusting the volume or brightness. Now you'll notice that you can adjust the volume or screen brightness with a lot more granularity. Holding Option and Shift when pressing the function keys increases the number of increments from 16 to 64. Allowing you to get exactly the correct volume or brightness you're after. So that is how to adjust brightness of an external display on Mac. If you found the video useful, I'd appreciate you giving me a like and hitting subscribe for lots more quick tips on all your Apple devices. And you might be interested in learning how to unlock your Mac using your Apple Watch and how to access your iCloud passwords when using a Windows PC. Until next time, my name is Anthony. Thank you very much for watching.